Let me first start by telling you that I'm acutely aware that I'm standing between you and the cocktail. So I'm not going to be too long, and I think I've been standing in this lectern for too much already. But I've organized my speech in four main elements: numbers, highlights, next, and thanks. About numbers, what will be your wild guess of the number of countries that have been represented in this very room? Number of countries. Guess. The people in there are not authorized to answer this one, because they know. "104 countries. 989 badge collected, that means people here. 496 male, 449 female. We didn't reach completely the 50%, but not far. About the youth, I will not say because they have been informed. Indigenous people, you have seen your own here. But more than 18 organizations, 80, as hosts and many more represented throughout the audience. More interestingly, the thing you don't know, the part of the iceberg that is below the sea level, the online outreach. 51,000 people tuned via live stream over YouTube and Facebook. Of these 51,000 people, 23,000 commented, liked, or shared contents. We had more than 15,000 tweets from 5,000 people. We have been the trending in Germany on Twitter for 4 straight hours in day one. I feel a bit like I'm in a Jimmy Fallon show and things. More than 37,000 page reviews on the website. And our message had reached 20 million people, which means that we only have 980 million rates to get the billion, which is quite. And over online 140 countries. So I guess that we can safely say that this event was a success. In terms of highlights, and here I played guilty as charged. These are my highlights. You may have yours. But we had a very I say moving and thought-provoking keynote by the President of Mauritius. We have had some very unusual events in this type of event during this type of conference, like the discussion and the dialogue between Eric Soerlem and the Sadhguru. This afternoon in this very room, we had Scott explaining us how to create a movement, and even himself was surprised by showing the movement appearing. So we had very interesting discussion ongoing all the time in the pavilion, many side events, very interesting launchpad, several very interesting discussion forum. And here I must admit that I've been disappointed because I've not been able to really attend on all these discussion forum. I think that's the quality of the dialogue, the quality of the exchange has been very high. The bar is set very high. We are going to try to do better next time, but it's going to be difficult. Now, next. We are going to organize a series of GLF-related events in 2018, very likely starting with one on finance and restoration in New York somewhere in May. We are planning a large event on restoration in Africa in September in Nairobi, and global GLF in Bonn around the end of the year. But I guess this is also the tip of the iceberg. The Global Landscape Forum would like to become a movement, and this can only happen if you are all convinced that we should become a movement. I've been asked several times during these 2 days, I mean, oh, what do you expect? Myself, I do not expect doing the thing by myself. I need the other people. And my usual analogy in that is that when it's like with your children, you give them everything you can so they can succeed in life, but you cannot do it for themselves. So what we can provide as the GLF Forum, as a platform, is all the tools and the support that you, the GLF movement, will need to succeed and become the GLF movement. But we cannot do it without you, and we cannot do it for you. So, having said that, for the next, I will pass on the thanks, and I will thank first the GLF team. All the people from the GLF team, please stand up. I see some people that stand up. And you have very many people that you don't see and that have been just part of the success of this event. This is a huge endeavor, and we have a very good team. They are very good at that. I mean, I'm just doing what I'm told to do. I don't have to decide anything, which is fine. I would like to thank also all the technical personnel of the World Conference Center. Fantastic job. All the people that have been helping us, the security, the people giving the tea break, the coffee break, everybody has been helpful, has been smiling. So that's fantastic. Fantastic venue. Cannot imagine something better. So I would like also to thank, of course, all the partners, organizations that have, without you, we cannot organize the Landscape Forum, the City of Bonn and the support that has been given to us, the federal government of Germany and the support that has been given to us. I think that we have nailed it, the first Global Landscape Forum, the new Global Landscape Forum, starting in 2017. And you think it's a closing ceremony now. It is not. It's just the opening of the new Global Landscape Forum movement. Thank you very much.